I've been testing the JBL Charge 6 and there are some things that really surprised me. The JBL Charge lineup has been the best lineup in the portable speaker of JBL, and there are some surprising things I'll review to you about the Charge 6 in this video. So talking about the design, you can look at it. The first impression you're going to get is the new handle that you get on the Charge 6, which is very unique. This handle is very durable. You get the JBL logo on it, and the material that they use for this handle is really sleek, in my own opinion. And next up, let's talk about their buttons and how their placement is now. You can see the on button, Bluetooth and oral cast are now different from the volume, which is unique. JBL have not done this before on any of their speaker except from the Extreme 4, but this is very good as expected. Now when you look at this side, you have a prominent rubbers that protects the passive radiator, which is very cool and very sleek. When you look at the base, JBL did a new refinement of their base, right? So their 5 lineup had this very not durable base. Their base always strap out and peel out, and from my own experience, it will definitely peel off. But this is very durable. You can feel durability at its peak from the Charge 6, which is very awesome. Now you only get Type C, which goes in and out, and yeah, we'll cover more secrets as we head into this video. From my personal experience with the JBL Charge 6, this speaker has been very unique. Let me give you a story, right? So as of last week, I was actually vibing with this speaker, and you could hear the low end coming from this speaker. The vocals are very clear. You know, JBL don't fail to deliver in that vocals, and from my own experience, I really love the vocal. And then of course, I went to the beach. Keep it a secret, right? So I dunked this into the pool. Yes, of course, you know what will happen with JBL when you dunk them into the pool. Pretty much alive, as you expect from JBL. So that experience actually blew my mind with the fact that they actually fine-tuned their sound quality of the Charge 6. I was actually very much amazed with the sound quality, won't lie. It's something that really impressed me. Apart from being impressed, I came back being alive, being fresh. Listening to fine music from this just made my day. I traveled to Enugu State, right? So while traveling, I took the JBL Charge 6 with me. And I was very much impressed with the battery life, right? Because where I went to, they had issue with their light and they couldn't turn on the generator, which was very bad from my own experience. But this kept my experience glowing. Even down to the vehicle while I was traveling, I practically held it like this. And people in the bus couldn't get their eyes off the speaker. Everybody kept asking me, is that JBL? You know, this is a very popular speaker. So it grabs attention. Apart from that, I really enjoyed my stay in Enugu because this speaker kept delivering good quality sound. Relax, I know you all are waiting for that sound test. Spamming on that. Here you have it, just listen to it. I'm sure you've just finished listening to the sound test and yeah, you're smiling and I see that. Well, let's make you smile more with more interesting news about this. Right, so when it comes to connectivity, this speaker can connect two devices together. And yes, you can now connect it with your Bluetooth devices. This comes with Bluetooth 5.4, which is a very high version of JBL Bluetooth. 5.4, I think, is their latest version that you can get right now. And now you have Oralcast, which means you can actually pair this. On the former speaker, it's called Party Boost, but now Oralcast enables you to pair this with 100 speaker. When you pair this side by side with another Charge 6, you can actually pair them in stereo, having left and right balance, right? This is a mono speaker, comes with one driver and one tweeter. The sound still gives good performance. So we have lossless audio. So with the Type-C you get on the JBL Charge 6, when you connect your Type-C cable to your phone, now you can stream lossless audio. And what lossless audio is music that doesn't have any interruption. This is like how the music was produced, no interference. You know, Bluetooth is actually very good, but with Bluetooth you can't get lossless audio. But with this Type-C, this is wonderful, right? You can not only charge your phone with your speaker, which I don't advise. You can now connect your phone to your speaker and stream music, lossless audio music, whereby the sound are very much realistic. No interference or no Bluetooth palaver. This is just very, very dope. While you're sitting down watching this video, I'm sure you're very much wondering, where can you get this speaker? Most of you drop this in the comment section. Well, if you're not in Nigeria, you can actually shop through the link in the description. Just click on that link. I've had the best deal there. You can just shop through that link and get yours. Very swift delivery. But if you're in Nigeria or in any African neighboring country, you can actually click the other link where you get the WhatsApp. Click there and you can get to shop the JBL Charge 6. Currently in Nigeria, you can get it for 210,000 to 230,000 depending on where you're getting it from. But if you're getting from us, you can get it at 210,000 naira right now. So yeah, shop and get your JBL Charge 6. So connecting this comes with zero hassle, right? So when you click on the Bluetooth, immediately you power on your new JBL, it automatically shows you on your device, which you click to connect. Once you connect, you can go to the JBL app and fine tune it. In case your own has updates like you see on mine, just click on that update button and get your sound to the best performing sound experience ever. When you're done with the update, you can actually equalize it through this custom EQ where you see the 7-band EQ, which is very great. Now you get a very good battery life. JBL have always been outstanding and astonished with their battery life. This Charge 6 comes with 24 hours of playtime. You see here rated 28 hours, but the extra 4 hours is when you activate the AI sound boost, which strip out all the bass from your speaker and make your speaker sound like a radio. I wouldn't advise you doing that except you're a cringy person to your battery. Well, the battery of 24 hours lasts on 20% volume like you've had in the sound test. I rated it there. So that 20% volume can get you to 24 hours. But when you take it higher than that, you're going to get different battery droppage depending on the sound performance and the equalizer that you're using. So take note of this. Let us talk very swiftly of what JBL is very known for. Waterproof, right? So they are both waterproof and dustproof. As you see, they're rated IP68, which means the ingress protection, it's rated 6 for the dust resistance and the water resistance is rated 8, meaning it is more waterproof than its predecessor, which is the JBL Charge 5. Which in my own opinion, these are very amazing stuff that people don't even get to know about the Charge 6 that I feel you all need to know. And of course, to get the JBL app, if you're using an iOS device or an Android, you can easily get it from the Play Store or the App Store. Just type it there, JBL Portable. And yes, of course, you have the app already. You can do the customization updates and yeah, get your speaker to jam as much as you want it to through the equalizer on that app. Just to be clear, this speaker will not shake your whole room. This is a room filling speaker. And when you check the portability and the sound quality you're going to get from this, you will love the speaker definitely. This is good, rugged. I love the waterproof and dustproof that it comes with. This is very good. And JBL did something better this year to the Charge 6, which is their durable bottom rubber, which is very durable than the predecessor, which is the Charge 5. And yes, of course, I'm loving the new strap, which you get with your JBL Charge 6. Another thing, don't get this wrong, right? They stated it there, you're not going to get a cord, right? So they said it, I think they wrote it somewhere here, it doesn't come with a USB cord. So no, of course, the JBL Charge 6 doesn't come with a USB cord. So just bear that in mind. When you're getting yours, do not expect a USB cord. You just need to use your own charger, charge this via Type-C. So with all these things I'm saying, what am I actually saying? Get the JBL Charge 6. It's as simple as that. It's an amazing speaker. If you love sound, you love portability, you love the speaker that comes with the strap, get the JBL Charge 6. If you have the JBL Charge 5, maybe you might not need an upgrade, except you want to have the latest technology with the oral cast, the 24 hours of playtime, with the 7-band EQ, and so many other features that you'll be getting on this. You can get the speaker. Trust me, you can. It's always worth the upgrade. And yes, of course, subscribe to us. And if you like this video, share it to your friends and stay tuned to us. We have more videos here. Check it out. So many tech videos that we'll be releasing, and we'll be telling you how you can even make purchases of these devices and where you can actually purchase them from. So yeah, stay tuned to us at EmmysRoom Tech Confirmed.